Nodia Krishi Vigyan Kendra (KVK) is an agricultural extension center in the Nodia district of West Bengal. It works under the Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) and Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. The main goal of this KVK is to improve farming techniques and enhance rural livelihoods. It provides scientific knowledge to farmers, making agriculture more productive and sustainable. Nodia KVK organizes various training programs for farmers, rural youth and women. These programs cover modern farming techniques, organic farming, pest control and soil health management. Special training is given on dairy farming, poultry farming and goat rearing. The KVK also provides guidance on mushroom cultivation, beekeeping and fish farming. Farmers learn about the use of improved seeds, fertilizers and farm machinery. These training sessions help them increase productivity and reduce losses. Women farmers receive special support in kitchen gardening and poultry farming, helping them become self-reliant. Nodia KVK conducts research trials to test new crop varieties and farming techniques. Scientists study climate change effects on agriculture and develop better water management methods. Research is also done on livestock health and disease prevention. These studies help farmers adopt better farming practices. Farmers get free advisory services from experts. They can visit the center or call experts for solution to farming problems. The KVK also helps in diagnosing soil and plant diseases. Soil testing services are provided to farmers, helping them use the right fertilizer and improve soil fertility. The Nodia Krishi Vigyan Kendra organizes field demonstrations and farm visits. Farmers can see the results and advanced farming techniques before using them in their own fields. The center promotes integrated farming system where farmers grow crops and rear livestock together for better income. Awareness programs are conducted on government schemes related to the agriculture. And farmers get information about the subsidies, crop insurance and financial support programs. The KVK works closely with government agencies, NGOs and agricultural universities to spread agricultural knowledge. And Nodia KVK encourages agripreneurship. It helps farmers set up small business like food processing, organic farming and agro-based enterprises. Training is provided on value addition, packaging and marketing of agricultural products. So, Nodia Krishi Vigyan Kendra is a vital institution for agricultural development in West Bengal. It plays a crucial role in transferring new farming technologies to rural communities. By providing training, research and extension service, the KVK helps farmers adopt modern and sustainable agricultural practices. The center not only improves farm productivity but also empowers rural youth and women through skill-based programs. With these continuous efforts, Nodia KVK is transforming agriculture and making it more resilient, productive and economically viable. Farmers in Nodia and the surrounding areas greatly benefit from the knowledge and support provided by the Nodia Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So it continues to be a guiding force for the farming community, ensuring a better future for agriculture and rural livelihoods.